Oh girl, I think I want you now. I wanna see what you about. Bomb chicken, if I get you, girl, I be proud.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by Myfirstwigs, and I will be trying out the invisible wig grip band, so I'm very excited about it. So I'm just going to take everything out of the box. So that's the bag that the wig comes in. I did get some lace glue, which I was not expecting, a comb, some hair clips, and this is the band right here. I'm taking it out so you guys can see. So it has like little spikes on it, and that's basically what the wig will grip to. And I'm just taking out the wig that I got, and it comes with all the details on it. I love that. I also got some brown wig caps, which I would definitely be using. And this is the wig. It's already bleached. The knots are bleached. It's pre-plucked. It's ready to wear. It also comes with a adjustable elastic band, so I'm just going to go ahead and hook that to the last holes and just hook that on because I want it really tight and really snug on my head. And I'm just trying on the wig just to make sure that where I adjusted the band is good enough or is tight enough for me to fit on my head, and it definitely was, because this wig was already really snug, but with the band it's really going to be even more snug, and it definitely will not move. But like I said, I just wanted to try it on and make sure that it wasn't too tight, because if it's too tight then it will hurt my head, give me a headache. So I just want to make sure that everything's fitting perfectly. So I am doing a glueless method. I just wanted to make sure that the lace was tinted and that it matched. So I'm using this hair dye spray in the color brown. I'm just going to spray that all over the lace, and this is a really good match for me. The more layers you apply, the darker it will be, and this is what it looks like. So as you can see, it's nice and brown. So I'm taking one of the wig caps that came in the box, and I'm going to put that over the cap because it did look darker in the package, but it really doesn't matter because I'm going to put the band over it. And again, I'm putting the wig back on my head just so that I can cut the lace. So I just want to make sure I cut the lace and make sure that it's fitted to my head. And then I'm also going to use this wax stick and go over the hairline. I'm also going to take this Sleek and Shine serum and also apply that on top of where I applied the wax stick. And these two products together work really well, and I'm just going to go over that with my hot comb and really press that out. So basically I'm just prepping the wig for install. Really important to do. I just want to make sure that when I lay this wig down that it is looking flawless and it's looking really good. So it's just really important that I do these steps before I actually cut the lace and lay the wig down. The key to a flawless wig is that it doesn't look like a wig. We want it to look natural. So that's why I'm just doing all this. Like I said, it's just really important. So now I'm going to cut off the lace that is going over my ears. Like I said, I want to make sure that the wig lays flat from ear to ear. So to ensure that, I just need to make sure that I cut off that lace that is going over my ears. I literally just line the scissors up with the bottom of my ears and just start cutting going backwards. And just be careful not to cut off any extra hair that we don't want to cut off, just the hair that is on the lace. And as you can see, that's what it looks like. Perfect fit. So now we're ready to move on to actually putting on the band. So this is what the band looks like again, and it is an invisible band, so you shouldn't have to worry about it being a different color from your skin tone. And I am literally going to place the wig on top of the band and just make sure that I line it up on my head, again making sure that it fits properly. And like I said, with the adjustable elastic band and the invisible wig grip band, this wig is very snug. It's definitely not going anywhere. Like, I'm not worried about that. It also has the combs in the back to secure, so you can't even see it. You can't see the band underneath the lace. And here I'm just kind of flipping it over and seeing, just testing it out before I actually cut the lace. But like I said, you can't see anything under it, so it's looking very good so far. And now I can move on to cutting the lace. Again, no glue, no hairspray, no hair gel, none of that was used. I literally just laid it down on top of the band, and like I said, here I'm cutting off that lace, and you can see just how transparent this lace is. Like, it's literally blending in to my skin, which is what I wanted, and I knew with my first wigs I wouldn't have that problem. So just doing this whole process right here took at least 5 minutes, maybe less. You guys saw for yourself, you can see the time mark minus the unboxing. This was like less than 5 minutes to customize the lace. The lace was already customized. There really wasn't much to do but tint the lace and then cut the lace, like literally that's it, and stick it on top of the band. And you can see again just how transparent the lace is, and you cannot see the band underneath the lace. And then I am going to test it out. I'm going to flip this hair, so you're going to see me flip this hair and we're going to see if it moves just to test it out. Yes, you can see the back, just ignore that. But look, the wig, she did not move. She is still intact. She is still in place. Clearly I was having too much fun with this, but you can see for yourself, she didn't go anywhere. So on a windy day, don't worry, your wig is secured. She got you, holding you down. It's all good. You can go to the amusement park, get on some roller coasters, and she will not slip. And I also did some tug tests, as you can see. This really didn't have anything to do with the actual product that I'm trying, but I did want to add some curls in this wig, so that's all that I'm doing. This hair did come straight, but after being in the bag, it was kind of wavy, and I was like, that's kind of cute. I'm going to just take my little curling iron and do some really soft, loose waves, kind of like beach waves. I'm not sure what this style of curl is called, but yeah, this is what I wanted to do. I only really curled the bang part, and then the rest of the hair I only curl like the bottom half, and it gave me the look that I wanted. I also didn't do any baby hairs for this look because I just wanted to keep it really simple and really natural. So this is the completed look. This is with the little waves that I did. And like I said, this hair just looks very natural. Again, I am going to do a couple of tugs at it so you can see that she is not moving. I'm also going to flip it some more so you guys can see. So yeah, you see me do a couple flips, and again, the wig did not move. As you can see, it's still in the same place. And I love it. It's quick, it's simple, it's easy. Like I said, less than 5 minutes. If you have a pre-worn wig that's already cut, that's even better, because that's going to take you less than a minute, because all you have to do is put the band on and then put the wig on top of it. Like I said, you don't have to use any glue or any of those type of products. No baby hairs. It's that simple. Again, just another little close-up so you guys can see that it is glueless, and literally just slip it right back on. How easy is that? So I will have everything listed down below for those who care. Make sure you check it out. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below, sub to my channel if you're not already, and I will catch you guys in the next one.